Purple teardrops from these see-through stars, looking down at God, living up in Mars. They talking who they is, but they don't know who they are. Deserve life in bars, but ride foreign cars. Fucking this world with open sores, a crazy party just bores, pretty models just whores, flashing lights, money galore. But I'm a window shopper, I don't know what's in store. Skeletons up in they closet, all up in they drawer. Take a hit of the white. Nah, I'd rather hit the door. Type of shit make me not wanna be rich no more. But then I think about maybe fucking that bitch some more, and all piping a different hall. So I'm supposed to sit here and write some lines, more of my rhymes to talk about kicks and dimes, chicks and dimes, licks and crimes, drunken and crunken times, some more motherfucking lies. Just to see these girls' Google eyes see when the hurting never stops. You cry purple teardrops, so fly they talk trash that they all up in the skies, but they really just a plane crash. It's all up in the skies. Lifestyles of the rich and famous, married to a bitch that's brainless. So cold your kids are strangers. Your threads and everything in your kitchen stainless. Caught up in the midst of haters, all of them getting pissed and angered. So much this shit gets dangerous. Friends get jealous with no basis. Struggle your whole life to eat, and in the end, it's tasteless.
Yo.